Hello and welcome to this tutorial. This is going to be the third section of our tutorial on how to get your WordPress website or blog ready for use. In our previous video we talked about how you're going to install WordPress on your domain name so that you can start building your website. Okay, so here we are still in our cPanel, and at this point we have successfully installed WordPress on our website. Now if you come to this section where my cursor is, you will see that there are two addresses in this place that point me to my website. The first one is playroom.samisaku.com, while the second one is they call it the administrative URL. Now this administrative URL is the address that will take you to your WordPress admin dashboard. That is, what is your WordPress admin dashboard? Your WordPress admin dashboard is, we can also call it the back end of your website. So this is where you get your website ready, this is where you write your blog, this is where you design your own page, and everything you do here is what you will see when anybody log into the front end of your website. Okay, so to get your website started, you need to log into your admin dashboard, and that is what we want to do in this video. So here you can either come to this place where it says playroom.samisaku.com/wp-admin. all right, if you do this, it's going to take you to the admin dashboard, but usually you don't want to always come to your cPanel, you know, to access your WordPress admin dashboard. All right, so because of this, we're going to open our browser afresh, and then we're going to type in our domain name again. Okay, so in my own case, I am using a domain name that is called playroom.samisaku.com. then in this case, I'm going to be putting /wp-admin. In our previous video, remember, we did /cPanel. Okay, when we do /cPanel, it takes us to the cPanel of our website but in this case we are going to the WordPress admin dashboard, so it's going to be wp-admin. all right, and enter it. Wait for it to load. It takes us to this place. All right, when it takes us here, remember that when we were installing our WordPress in the cPanel, we actually put in our WordPress admin username and the password. Okay, so that is the username and the password that you're going to be using to access your WP dashboard, as we see here. All right, so mine is already highlighted here, and then I'm going to log in. all right, so this takes me to my WordPress admin dashboard. Now you can see that in this place it's a little bit of a difference. In fact, it's altogether a new thing from what we had in our cPanel dashboard. All right, so here everything here is new. We've not done anything here. We have our new WordPress dashboard that we have not done any design on. All right, so the first thing I want to do in this dashboard is to clean up my dashboard so that I can only see things that are necessary, that I'll be using every time. Everything that I'm not going to be using frequently, I'm going to hide them so that navigating through my dashboard can be a easy task for me. So for me to do that, I'm going to come to screen option, as you can see up here, and I'm going to click on screen option. Now you can see here, I'm going to hide this site health status. I'm going to hide this at a glance. I'm going to hide activities. I'm going to hide quick drafts. I'm going to hide WordPress events and news. I'm going to hide welcome. All right, and then I'm going to close the screen option. Now you can see that my admin dashboard is now clean. We don't have anything here again, so it's easy for us to work on when we have things like this. All right, so after you have done this, the next thing you want to do is for you to come to settings. All right, you can see the settings bar here, and then you come to and you come to general settings. Okay, general settings. Now here, I remember I told you when we were setting up our WordPress website in our cPanel that we can change the site title and we can change the tagline of our website. Okay, so what is my website all about? This is a tutorial website, so I'm going to write tutorial here. Okay, yours can be anything that you want your website to be about. It can be make money now, it can be health and wellness update, it can be anything that you want it to be. So I'm going to put in my tutorial class, tutorial. All right, okay, so I'm going to leave that as my site title. In my tagline, I'm going to write here, learn everything WordPress. All right, so that's going to be my tagline. All right, in this place I'm going to leave my URL as it is. I'm going to leave this place as it is. Now administrative email, I'm also going to leave it as it is. You can change it if you feel like changing it. For now, I'm going to leave this for now. New user role, I'm going to leave this for now. I'm going to leave it at English for my language. Time zone, I'm going to leave it. Now you can change your time zone depending on where you are. The date format, I'm going to leave it at this. This is okay, this is month, this is day, and this is year. You can decide to change it anyhow you feel like, but I'm going to leave mine like this. My time format, I'm also going to leave it like this. Week starts on Monday, I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm going to enter change. I'm going to press my save change. All right, so my changes has been saved. All right, so I'm going to leave that and come to reading. Remember, we just finished the general setting, so I'm going to come to reading. All right, so when I come to reading, I'm going to, okay, for now I'm going to leave this like this. Now I cannot touch anything here because we have not designed any page at all, so this is not going to give us any results. All right, for this is blog page show at most, I'm going to leave it at 10. Okay, for now I'm going to leave everything here. All right, and I'm going to just save changes. Okay, save changes. Then I'm going to go to writing settings. All right, for the writing settings, I'm also going to leave it as it is for now. Okay, later we'll come back to some of these things and change them when we have gone a bit far into our WordPress design. The next place I really want to come to is the permalink. Okay, this is another very important place. All right, so now you can see common setting. Now I am going to come here and choose post name. All right, why am I choosing post name? I am doing that because if you choose any other option here, now when you write a blog post or when you design a page and anybody wants to go to your page, the display on the domain on the website address will come in this kind of format. All right, this kind of format. These formats are not really SEO friendly and they are not really very nice. Okay, but if you choose post name, this is the best for me. All right, this is the best for me. So it's going to come as your website / the title of your post. All right, but if you choose here, it's going to come with your website / some funny names that people really wouldn't like. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at post name, and I encourage that you do the same for your own also. I think that is the only thing I'm going to change in this permalink, and I'm going to save changes. All right, at this point we can now go ahead and start designing the pages and the posts of our website. So I'm going to see you in the next tutorial on how to start designing pages and posts on our website. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if this video make any value to you, please help us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel so that other people can get to see it and use it to their own benefit also. Thank you.